na wakwaba midin ede adwoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel me a notification bell also for more news. Mami a oka say eye NDC ni enye me na make us oye NDC ni we work as adwoa de oye NPP nya na de be NDC me NDC ni me NPP ni but omampende da John Drawani Wahama no sanso ni bio me stand ene Mami wakase na no kan so ye NDC ni also ye NDC ni mapa na emomo no se o mampani dada John Dramani Mahama wabe na NPP for anye careful no mo anyi flag bearer Vice President Dr. Bawumia dia and one kan who say NPP for bewe or ye NDC ni but se Vice President Dr. Bawumia eba as flag bearer na orini de ma NPP amayoku ni dia obecha bani de ama NPP for enye sa pa dia the Vice President Eminia on 2024 to aba onkoto mo mampende da John Dramani Mahama because the Vice President abai wo Ghana ha no Vice President bi enye bi da and the digitalization ebu bi alpha ha digitalization no mami ne sema wo kan na owie no kire 2024 pa de NPP for mo to ama Vice President Dr. Bawumia no ama me wama me tu franka no amfama NPP amayoko dia 2024 abato no obe ofufu na we atwa petition wanu mo wia na wada simple obi ani ni asem yeti nsema ma me ede etidwa e ya ndisi ni mapa
na wo ka asem bi eno ti na aba ye wo se Bawumia why dey
me se me nto abada na mo ndwo ma stand de abada me nto na mo se Bawumia stand dia and then mitimi dwedwom ha na ma san ni sika komi kurom na me de atua me nsa wa me de atua me to and then ma fa nkoma ka bia o is about Bawumia nko na stand de aba na me to do mama de obokra da de ma wo fufu de ne mada manu ma petition ne mada
na ada na Bawumia nko de oba abeto
so no musa na adwen mu do oba wa ye niam bebre hwe mo ba mani hwesisi a chese ama wiase no ya ese ye lebu te se ya abrofo na so ye bibifo enti papa ne nim nyansa se so oba ye ho beto yen enti ono nko abade adade na meto aba
ebusia for ensem we na NDC woman e de atidwa
na so ye bibifo enti papa ne nim nyansa se so oba ye ho beto yen enti ono nko abade adade na meto aba no
hwe camera nim na MPP delegate e ko to aba no ne ka asem bi wa akokere wo
ono na ye kire mo so mo ani nda ho no mo to aba ne ma Bawumia no mbra mo nya aba ne style bia ndi o mo amfa ma ndi John na oko esa me ye NDC ni mapa
ye da ase bebre sabre ye nya ye mame ba ko ha eno ye France
ye from Sister Evelyn
na oso ye NDC ni
ye NDC ni mapa
na wo ka asem bi eno ti na aba ye wo se Bawumia why dey
me se me nto abada na mo ndwo ma stand de aba na me nto e mo se Bawumia stand dia and then mitimi dwedwom ha na ma san ni sika komi kurom na me de atua me nsa wa me de atua me to and then ma fa nkoma ka bia o is Bawumia nko na stand de aba na me to do mama de obokra da de ma wo fufu de ne mada manu ma petition ne mada
na ada na Bawumia nko de oba abeto
so no musa na adwen mu do oba wa ye niam bebre hwe mo ba mani hwesisi a chese ama wiase no ya ese ye lebu te se ya abrofo
today is full force mutie and they full force mama enya grosso na yedi and they full force into our person oba ha bejimi no bra bejimi we will find your time we will respond to you correctly accordingly mu enyansa ni mutirim kwasia kwa sika ni wa na yedidi no na ejimifo mo gina ho the president 40 at the bobo bass ho and then more we said they are better managers of the economy when children couldn't get a chalk utie chalk to write when children couldn't get a chalk to write we were using Ghana's taxpayers money to brand buses. Sorry about that now. I say you guys are the pen. I'm the moon trying to say never moon to my boss. Uba has a ube Jimmy, I remember Uba Hill Rob to my 80 powers. Call Balu, ye be. Oh, no, mean ye. Call Babi and Mene. No, ba fail, Kukwasa. Oba fail, one and two answer Jalu. Or Seba Fenwan Shene, as someone may catch your own to mean the deep Nadiada. When you better into Mohan and Nemo Jimmy. 2 days name my mamma cool. But Semube Jimmy, we see what down for Becano, no program, na say. Near didn't need to attempt no be a sort. Okay. Now, continuing with what I'm saying, no, they be a make say who jam me Felix appear, me ba beka dia MPP for any budget. Even though sometimes me bomb yes. O fresh ami Jenfia, or beba beka dia NDC for any budget. But there say mu wase ho na mu de mo ye de on my excuse me to say you are not communicating no. Someone mo find out say there be Tio, do we as a matter of fact have what it takes? What are we doing? What can be done? Maybe may very, 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 very critical about certain things that I do. I say take it easy, don't waste your time on MTS. Madam. And then me person me mamu good show about say yare for ne start this omo baha and never form. Come man as rajon mahama no benne no. Because wa me ya so you boka president. Ope president ya wasa. President ya wabon. President ya won nim presidency ho hwia John Dramani Mahama ne record na kire enya me na meka akwale bia wo school our terminal report ne de count say we are there it is only in NDC ne say ne terminal report ne de enya enso nya hwe ono ne penti amfa no mra munni no mutwase ni 11 kwasiafo kwa mo de na munya na entemfa so. Anyways, South Africa mutie Yakubu Mozato stupidly South Africa, who you are fighting so much to get a visa to go and visit. Kwasi, South Africa is in Ghana. What are they trying to do? They are coming to study how we were able to do 1D, 1F. Utie, South Africa, no, almost say, one village, planting for food and jobs. Any 1D, 1F now, yeah, can. Mujina will say, Enyampano. They are learning it, so that they can go and implement over there. Nti misreo Ghana ni NDC MPP maybe some asem ade a enye eye den obi o man bi ba se obabi sua ade a enye ne de akose ne man maybe some say ade a enye no eye den obi utu esese Cynthia obekwa akosua ade a enye se udi kose ufie. I don't think so unless you are from NDC, because that is their trait. They can't build. All they do is destroy. They destroyed Ghana under Rawlings. Kufuor came to try to put it back to shape. They handed it over to them and they ran it back down to where Rawlings left us. And Kufuor comes and he works his first term. Excellent report. Excellent report. Due to certain exogenous things that happened, we are feeling the heat. That is not only Ghana. It is not peculiar to Ghana. It's peculiar to everywhere. And you people want us to throw away all the gains we have made and bring in some Boka Fort and Tanla Party and Yansen Mumutrimuni say, oh, Mumra Miruli. Namosana Mutie. And let the party be unpopular. The party will be unpopular because Hart Jan, some of you have decided, say, instead of using facts to talk, you don't use facts to talk. Siafu and Yansen Mutrimuni na moya moa 1111. NDC for na shady atemni na muni ni muchasi ni mako moa muni minyansa. Muni minyansa nka boy anka won kan kire me se obi abese yo man yansa for man nation nsa se de be ya onkwase afuro mu de bedidi ohofon de maka ene eyeboko ba mu bejimi a ye ne mo be ko no pepepe mi mfe ni agro.